The healing tone. Your words are not only words, they reveal worlds of revelation to the hearer, vibrations of hearing tones, activations of a better life, catalysts of blasts through blockages, revealing worlds of possibilities. Let your calm tone and rhythmic sounds continue to fill the world with your sweet melodies as we rest in the rhythm of life, embracing the ebbs and flows of life's expressions and experiences. Let your mouth speak. Make sure your mouth speaks. Release a tone and a sound. Release words that quench our thirst. Your words are living water, penetrating to the depths of the human spirit. Speak life, speak love, speak healing. You have the healing tone to your disposal. Words are the healing tone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.